What you doing there, big boy? Hmm? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where is he? I don't know where he is. Oh, he's hiding. He's hiding. Where is he? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Huh? Where is he? Find your brother. Where is he? Where could he be? He's sneaky. He's being sneaky. He's being sneaky. Where is he? Where is he? I don't know. Where's Mr. Felix? Where's Mr. Peabody? Go find Mr. Peabody. Where's Mr. Peabody? Where is he? Go find him. He's over there. He's hiding. He's over there. He's right over there. Look, over there. Look. Where is he? How long are you going to stay back there? What? What, Nubster? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where's your brother?